Hello traders, welcome back to Excel, our Excel Argo trading. Yes guys, today's date is 13/6/2025. Time is 9:34. It's already it is late, so I'll just show you briefly that how our Excel Argo is worked. So this is our dashboard, and you can see here you have to set this parameter properly. So just before doing this, just copy and paste this. Everything should be filled here, and later on we'll come back to dashboard, set on and set today's date. Well traders, before this you have to opening or Alliance Pro broking terminal, and with the help of API, this our Excel sheet will work automatically. There is no need to sit and watch again and again. If you will be getting a telegram alerts as though, and yes, this is if our orders are start to fire, you can see here waiting for above and below levels. Once our orders is filed, it will show like waiting for stop loss or target. Well traders, this our software will charge you around 4,999. Before we are charging 7,999. Now we are giving the discount of 4,999. This works everything automatically. If you want, so you can visit our website called www.excelargotrading.in, and you can also if you have any queries, you can call us in our number, which is linked in the description box. Yes guys, this all help with our Alliance Pro broking terminal. Without Alliance Pro broking terminal, this will not work. Okay, well traders, we are waiting for orders to get fired. It's already late now. So this is our trading analysis sheet looks like. So this is our trading analysis sheet, and you have to set today here. If you set today here, this will set automatically, and just apply the filter. Okay, this shows the times, investment direction, quantity, entry, exit type, points, profit and loss, or this is how detailed it mentioned with the points, how many points you have scored in trade 1 or trade 2, which is completed. Incompleted will show in status. If once the entry is done, it will show. If the one buying entry is done, it will show as entry. If one entry is completed, if one buy and sell is completed, it will show as complete. The trade is complete. Okay, this is how our analysis sheet looks like, and it is very friendly using. Many people will use that, and we have a very good response too. And yes traders, we are waiting for the above and below levels to fire the instruments here. Yes, we are waiting for above and below levels. Everything is set here. So once I'll just want to show you this. This is our black main background sheet, and you can see after opening this only, Excel sheet will open automatically. If you once purchase this software, will explain you detailedly how to use this. Okay, many are not familiar with English language, so I'll just talk with in both language, English and Hindi. I know only English and Hindi, so I could talk with English and Hindi. Okay guys, if I go somewhere wrong in Hindi, or please excuse me, I don't have that fluent in Hindi. Okay, well traders, everything is done here. You can see this is how it works. You have to run a live mode here and select confirm. After this getting confirm, if you want any telegram alerts, skip and enable, current, available, disable, whatever you want, you can just select it. We just inform you how everything should be used. Okay, this is if historical data. This is historical data. Manually it is enabled. If you want to skip, you can select the number 4. This is how it is used. Once if you feel any confusing, you just call us on given number of ours in our description box. Yes guys, we are waiting for above and below levels. Yes, yes traders, आप देख सकते हो. You can see here almost 2 trades are executed just now. So it is Nifty call option. Both are in call option, and 2 are waiting in for trailing stop loss, and 1 is waiting in. Yes, this is also executed. 3 are executed now. We'll just see in our order book. It's showing a 6 here. How is this possible? I mean, sorry guys, I've opened one more software here, in one more laptop, so it is showing double. I'll just quit one thing from there. Okay. Well, traders, you can see this is our trade history. Yes, traders, now you can see here Nifty call option in with the 50 quantities, entry price you can see here, so detailedly everything is mentioned. So everything is in pending because still just now our orders are executed. Everything is here executed two times because couple of times because I have opened one more Excel in one more laptop, so it is in two times recorded. So just once we'll ignore this. So we'll start from, that is Nifty call option, strike price 24,600. Yes, this one. $24,600. Once again. We'll go for Nifty 24,750 call option. You can see market is gap down today. You can see so clearly that is market is gap down today. So we'll just market today's level here. So Nifty 24,750 entry was at 144. Entry was at 144. We'll wait and watch what happens. This is buy, and we'll set this as a buy here, and you can see market is little bit down, and I'm sure it will recover very shortly. Right, traders, you can see here only Nifty have got executed, and even Bank Nifty call option is in pending because you can see here there is a gap in LTP and our buy level. If once it is hit to our buy level, it will show once it is very near to our above and below levels, it will show as waiting for above and below levels. Once it is hit to our buying level, that is 771. I'm talking about Bank Nifty. Once it is headed to our buy level, it will show as waiting for trailing stop loss like this. Okay. Well, traders, will wait and watch what happened further. Yes, we'll market one more. That is 24,700 entry at 170. Entry was at 170, right here. So both look like little down from our buy level, so we'll just wait it how it goes. Okay. Yes, guys, you can see 3 are in trailing stop loss or target. It is about to, still it is down to our levels only. Here our buy level was at 224 and here 2. As traders, you can see even Bank Nifty is in the path, that is Bank Nifty call option, that is strike price 55,900. You can see it is waiting for above and below levels. It is very near to our levels, like this is 550 LTP, 551 LTP is going, and our above and below levels, our buy level is at 530. So it is very near to our levels, so it is waiting for above and below levels. This is how it will show as waiting for above and below levels. Well, traders, it is very near to get execute. Here it is LTP, you can see almost 535. It is very near to our LTP buy level. Yes, as soon as it hit our 530, this will get execute. I'll just show you here. Okay, just stick on here only. It will get execute but automatically. I just click here. No, sorry. Once again. Yes, this one. Yes, it's already near. 542, and it's time to execute now. It's 540. I'm just telling you the LTP 539, and our buy level is at 530. It's 543, 544. Yes, I'll just do one thing. You just be watching here. 3 are in our wedding stop loss or target. It's about to get square off also. We'll just wait, and we are waiting for here. That is Bank Nifty call option 537, 535. It's very near to our above and below levels now. This is how our above and below levels work. I'm just showing you how it works. Okay, so again it's 540. Yes, we are waiting to get for waiting stop loss order to get fired of Bank Nifty. I'm just showing you how this waiting for above and below levels works. Okay, yes, LTPs are changing. It is 542, around 530. No, 535 was the last peak in our LTP, and our buy levels was at 530. Again it's 540. It's waiting. Again it's 538, 536. Guys, if you want to see our video now, you can just speed up our video, then you can cover till end. Yes, one more trade is executed over at 552. It is very nearby, and it is still in. Yes, already it got executed. Our order is got executed in our trading analysis sheet. That is 531. Yes, traders, you can see Bank Nifty call option 55900. Entry price was at 531. So 1 points here and there, it is adjusted here. Okay, so there is no need to worry about this. So got to know how our above and below levels will work. So guys, entry was at 531 and it is in pending. Just we'll see in our order book. Hope only one order is fired. Yes, you can see one order is fired because one more have closed our software in one more laptop. So here the same order is got it fired in two places. So you can see all double here. So I'm sorry for this confusion. We'll open this chart. As traders will mark it as 531. For entry was at 531. Okay. We'll just okay, and this was text of buy, and okay, it is fixed at 531 now. So this is where our buy got our buy level generated, and we can see this is our today's session break. You can see, yeah, okay, now it is clear to see, I think. Okay, yes, see guys, this is how our software works. Hope you like it, and I'll just waiting for 2 to 3 orders to get complete. If 2 to 3 orders get complete, I'll just pause this video here, and I'll just show you later at the end of the day or after 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock, and I'll be uploading this video in YouTube very shortly. Okay, if you have any queries, please you can call us to our number which is in description box. Okay, yes guys, this shows loss in Nifty call option. It is showing loss in Nifty call option. Entry was at 144, exit one. I just mentioned the spice also. Just concentrate here, traders. Entry was at 144.45 paise, and exit was at 144.30 paise. You can see here trailing stop loss happen. So if it is trailing stop loss, means it will not give a very big loss also here. You can see what is the loss. It is loss of rupees only 22 rupees 50 paise. Okay, 22 rupees 50 paise. This is how our software works with trailing stop loss. This is the beauty of our software, which works in the trailing stop loss, and this is how it does look like complete. One trade is complete. That is Nifty, strike price 24,750. This one, which was executed in the time of 10:12, and it is squared off. It is sell in the time of 10:30. Okay, so clearly it is showing with quantities detailedly, like entry, exit type, whether it is a trailing stop loss or a target with points. Okay, you can see here even a small loss, but even you can have a small profit also. If it is, the market is very low to our buy level, it will take a trailing stop loss. Those losses of chances will be very low. Okay, yes guys, you can see here so clearly one trade is completed. You can see here one trade is completed. So it will be total trades. One trade is completed. Winning rate is not yet shown here. With total loss, profit and loss rupees 22. You can see so detailedly here, even in the chart also. The average profit will be at 10 o'clock only, but this is showing in loss because we have 22 rupees loss here. Okay. Yes, you can see there will be a trailing stop loss in Bank Nifty call option. This will be trailing stop loss now. You can see here guys, so clearly it is showing like instrument Bank Nifty. This is instrument in Bank Nifty 55,900, and the current price is 560, and it is entry price at 531, and it is trailing stop loss. You can see trailing stop loss of 14. This same message you will be getting in Instagram also. There is no need to see your system again and again, what happened. No, you will get this messages detailedly in your Instagram also. You can see this messages in your mobile, in your laptops, wherever. You will be getting this updates again and again if it is going in trailing stop loss. You can see there is a trailing stop loss with 14 points. This is how our software works so clearly and perfectly. Yes, you can see almost 34 points up from our buy level. Yes, you can see so perfectly here. This is where our buy was generated, and market is almost little up. If it is going in loss, our software will take automatically for the trailing stop loss. If it is going again and again up, it will take for our target. So we'll just watch what happens if it is a trailing stop loss or target. Yes guys, if you want to see our video, you just speed off and see. In end of the day you will get it is really very interesting today. You can see one more is waiting for above and below level, that is Bank Nifty call option, strike price 55,800. What is yes, what is the yes, you can see here it is already executed. Our buying level was at 609, and your LTP came for 609, and it went almost 613 suddenly. So our order is executed, and it is waiting for trailing stop loss. Everything you can see here in our trade history. One order executed, that is our Bank Nifty call option 55,800. Just now I've shown you here. This one, with this one, okay, that is 55,800. We'll just mark in our chart 609 was our I just do this 609. Yes guys, this is where our buy level was generated. Here exactly this candle, I just zoom you and show. This was where our buy level was generated. Once it is hit to our buy level, it will take automatically. After hitting our buy level, you can see market is going slightly upwards. And I'll just show you one more in our Bank Nifty. It is almost it's going up, and it is waiting for trailing stop loss or target. This one is in pending. Still it is showing in pending. Once it is target done, it will show as complete with the profit. This will get 100% profit. Now Bank Nifty strike price 55,900 will get you 100% profit here. I'm just talking about this particular strike price because I'm sure about a software that it will take a trailing stop loss now. With the amount of little profit also you'll get a profit. I'm not sure about you'll get a huge loss or huge profit, but I'm sure you will get a little profit also. Yes guys, I said you almost again it is done with 24,750, that is Nifty, and we are waiting for one more order to get square off here, that is Nifty. So the Bank Nifty 55,900, still it is in pending. This one almost 2 orders are completed here. You can see 2 orders are completed in Nifty, that is strike price 24,700, which was taken place at time of 10:12, and it is squared off in 10:37 with the amount of 15 rupees. That's not bad because market was falling, I think so. Our software took trailing stop loss and it got squared off because there was a huge loss, I think so. Our software took a trailing stop loss here. Okay, you can see here entry of 176.5 paise and exit of 177.5 paise. Okay, as traders you can see Bank Nifty strike price 55,900. I said it will be in a profit with the amount of so small or big whatever, but it took to a trailing stop loss. Exit was at 549. I'll just show you, I'll just mark and show you 549. See guys, I said if once it hit to our buy level, again market goes again, if the level is down, it will take as trailing stop loss and it will sell automatically. What was our exit? At 549. You can see here 549 is guys exactly here our it went to trailing stop loss, that is trailing stop loss. You can see here this is where our buy was executed, and up to here, that is 567 market went up. It was waiting to our target. No, to our software it came to know that it is not hitting our software, the market is going down, so we'll give for trailing stop loss so that it should not go more than down, more than our buy level. It will not get lost, so it hit to our trailing stop loss. Now profit is booked automatically. Well traders, you can see so detailedly everything is going here with the profit of 1,200 plus. Okay, in Bank Nifty, let's see which is in waiting for above and below levels. You can see almost 3 orders are closed. As traders, you can see one order is closed, that is Nifty call option 24,600. Yes, this is the first order, that is Nifty 24,600 call option. It was fired at 10:12 and it is squared off at 12:21. Yes guys, you can see there was entry of 222.6, that is 226, and exit of 244, almost 17 points up from our buying level. Profit of rupees 2,600 plus. Yes guys, we'll just wait and watch. Still there is one more stock is in pending, that is Nifty call option 24,650. It is waiting for trailing stop loss. We'll just wait for it and we'll see again. As traders, will wind up our session here only. Hope you like it. This is how our software works, and if you have any queries, you can call us on our number which is mentioned in description box. Even do visit our website. Yes, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.